안녕!
Hello from Seoul. Today I'll share how to make tteokbokki in 10 minutes, which is your favorite Korean street food. I'm quite sure that there's no way to make it easier and faster than this recipe, so you should try sometime.
I can make it too.
You may think there is only one type of tteokbokki, but there is a bunch of different kinds of tteokbokki. What we're gonna make today is street style tteokbokki that you may have seen a lot. Believe it or not, with this recipe, you can make it within 10 minutes. You will be needing onions, cabbage, green onion, peppers, garlic, fish cakes, and rice cake for tteokbokki. If you don't have this kind of rice cake, you can use this flat rice cake, which is for tteokguk, rice cake soup. I kind of prefer to make tteokbokki with this flat one because it absorbs the sauce well. But let me show you the typical street style tteokbokki today. For the sauce, you need gochujang, Korean chili paste, pepper flakes, sugar, pepper, and this one. This one is the key. This is called dashida, which is beef flavored soup stock. Yeah, it's an artificial seasoning. Some people make stocks by using anchovies and vegetables and use them to make tteokbokki, but this tteokbokki is street food. It doesn't have to that complicated. And if you make it healthier, you can't get the real taste of tteokbokki. It's like putting a bean patty into a big giant greasy cheeseburger. So I'm gonna use this. Now let's get started. Pour 1.5 cups of water to the wok. Actually, the amount of water is not that important. If you think you need more water, then add some more. If you see there's too much water, boil it longer. Don't take it too seriously, just take it easy. It's not a baking class. And put 1.5 tablespoon of gochujang, chili paste, 2 tablespoons of pepper flakes, 1.5 tablespoon of sugar. You might want to ask which sugar should I use, brown or white? It doesn't matter, just use the one in your kitchen. Let's get back to the sauce. Half tablespoon of minced garlic and some pepper. And we need to put 1 tablespoon of dashida, which is the most important thing in this recipe. If you don't have this, you can put soy sauce to taste, but I think it's good to buy one from Amazon. Then you can eat this tteokbokki every day. Next, let's prep the vegetables. Cut the half of onion like this and cut some cabbage this much. I would say my palm size, but to be honest, it doesn't matter again. But for your information, my hands are a little bit small. I don't like it. I think I said it a lot in many of tteokbokki videos. More green onions, more delicious. More green onions, more delicious. You have to memorize this. Put lots of green onions. More green onions, more delicious. So put as much as you want. Now I'm going to chop green and red pepper, but you don't have to put it in. I'm trying to make it pretty because I have to post this video on YouTube. If it's not pretty, you're not gonna watch it, aren't you? And cut this fish cake. I'd like to cut it into a triangle shape. Lastly, let's prepare rice cake. Before you put it in, please rinse the rice cake because it could be not clean. Some people say what to put first or later is important, but it doesn't matter again. If you see street tteokbokki vendors, they actually boil it all day. So just put everything together except for this fish cake. It's totally okay. I'm going to put 2 extra boiled eggs in it because it's the best if you break it and eat it with the tteokbokki sauce. When it starts to boil, add the fish cakes. If you boil it for too long, the texture will be mushy. So I told you not to put this earlier. Actually, it doesn't matter, but I have to make thumbnail. It has to be pretty and looks delicious. And the sauce will taste completely different after you put the fish cakes in. It gets much more flavorful. If you put this starch syrup, you can make it more glossy, but if you don't have one, you can skip it. Now, there's only one thing you need to do. Keep stirring. When the sauce gets thicker, it's done. It really goes well with mozzarella cheese, but she can't find it. I think we ran out of cheese. She looks so sad, so I need to boil ramen noodles for topping. It's kind of magical sauce, so enjoy this tteokbokki with various toppings.
딱 완벽하게 간이 됐어. 와, 진짜 맛있겠다. 미쳤죠? 소스 장난 없음. 와우.
I'm so used to this recipe, so I can make it within 10 minutes, but I don't think Claire can make it, which means you can take a little bit longer, but I'm pretty sure it's a very easy and fast way to make tteokbokki. I really hope you try at home someday. Alright, this is it for today, and I'll see you next time.